We begin with the first chakra, located at the base of the spine. Place your hands over the reproductive system. Everyday physical Zen is a part of my life. And imagine a red energy ball underneath your hands. I use meditation in the sense of my own practice to figure out what's so important for my day. Okay, what is the most important and what's not? As you breathe into your energy center, imagine this red energy ball growing, radiating like a red halo. Inhale, love. I connect to myself, and I actually find like a hug, and I just find myself to embrace the love for myself first. Each breath brings you deeper and deeper. Leave your shoes at the door and just come in and let go and not worry about what you can and can't do. You're going to align all your chakras. You have 7 chakras, and we're just going to align them through meditation.
It's not about being a male or a female. It's about embracing your body and about tapping into your body, into your sensations.
It's an energy. It's not all about me, and that I can actually help out. So then now they're feeling the heart to a heart, and they're feeling loved. And that's what we all want. That's all we want. We want to feel love and compassion, right? We got each other, right? We're good. And then I look at them, we're good. And they're like, we're good. And then it's like, then the healing happens. I'm inspiring them. I'm giving them an uplift, facelift of an uplift of energy. Allowing you to just unwind and like shake it off. You ever do that? Like, okay, or the, right? It's that kind of feeling. It's like, come in, shake it off. You don't need the coffee. You don't need the caffeine. You are connecting with other people through class. You're connected to your own self. Who am I? A little girl that still wants to be a little girl and who wants to have fun every moment and wants to connect, because that's what I thrive on, connection. And then from connection, I want to help people. Busy, busy, busy. We're so busy. Texting, phone, email. It's like endless. So now we're going to align everything. One is peaceful and remains calm during all the events and experience of life, regardless of how they manifest. Inhaling safety, exhaling fear. Breathing deeply, making each breath longer, deeper, and fuller than the breath before. Physical Zen helps you get closer to your heart through movement and breathing exercises and the healing arts. We go through trauma, And we go through experience, and we go through story after story about family and friends, and how you've been told that this happened to you, and it creates who you are in the world. And then you wonder how you're going to be in this world. I bring out the gifts in people. I bring out that you're good enough to do anything you want. There's a glow in them when they're done, when they're finished. Everyone wants to know, like, what's my purpose? Like, why am I here? What am I serving? What am I doing? And come and explore a wonderful experience. Namaste.